Alright guys, we're at the BMW Car Club Advanced Open Track Day. Seems like one of the first days that I'll be able to get some open air without much traffic. See what I can do for a lap time. If you've been in this position before, you're just getting a little anxious getting out on the track. But biggest thing, stay safe and have a good lap is what I want.
Have fun.
Thank you. Looks like we got Cup Car and fucking A. What the fuck? We're just fighting traffic as usual. I just hope right now I get a little window here. I'm gonna go a little slow here to get some temperature back in. Hopefully get everything cooled down. Where I get caught up are these cars that are coming out mid-session. Alright, here we go. Let's do it. Right here. Good now. Just gotta keep it clean and we got the lap, boys. Let's go. Alright, come on, let's get it, rotate. Just no mistakes and we got it here, boys. Let's go. Let's go! Let's go! Woo-hoo! Let's fucking go! 217! Yes! Oh my god! Oh my god! This is just a long time coming, boys. This is insane. This car is unbelievable. The setup, I gotta thank Matt who did my tuning. Everybody that was a huge supporter. This is insane. I feel like I just won an F1 race. About my victory lap. This is absolutely unbelievable. Going for a 219, I pull out a 217.3. Absolutely unbelievable. This car is, I mean, this is just, I don't know what to say. This car is absolutely, I love it. I love it. And I definitely missed a couple turns. It's got a 216 or better in this car. It's unbelievable. Unbelievable car. I'm gonna let this cup car pass. I'll speed up for him in case he's after a lap. Man, look at how much further, like, that cup car, I was right with him when I took off. I mean, this 500 is fucking nuts. These tires are definitely vibrating. This car, it just gets it done. Unbelievable. Now we gotta go celebrate in the pits with everybody. Holy cow, guys. I'm honestly blown away. What this car can do is unbelievable. There's the GT4. Unbelievable. This is... And I never felt like the entire lap, I honestly didn't feel any time that I felt like I had, like, I never felt out of place or anything. .217.33. Optimal of 217.32. Officially into the teens. The monkey is off my back. I can just enjoy my track days again. I might mess with these guys and tell them 220 flat. So close. Ugh.
You were ripping.
So close to it.
220.
Dude, this is gonna be insane. It's gonna be hard to get to a 216. Two.
Jeez. Wow.
Oh my God, that was insane. I literally was going through the back stretch too, and I was like down 3 seconds. I'm talking to the camera the whole time. I'm like, let's just take it easy the rest of this lap. Dude, it's got a 2:15 easy. Yeah,
I don't think I'll bend these at least. 5'4".
I don't know what to say. That was insane. I talked on the out lap of like how, but like, you know, I always want 219, and I'm coming around like down to Canada. I'm 3 seconds up. I'm like, this might be really good here, guys. Coming around. The thing is, with this much more power, like I have to relearn the track. So I'm going through. I cooked a corner. I finally got down. Like I went through the kink. I'm like, I'm not gonna crash it because like I saw I was down. I was like, I'm not going to go through the kinks. I only did the kink at like 105, but I knew, I was like, if I can just clean it together, I can get the teen done. But, holy cow. And then I turn the corner and just punch it down the front straight. I look over, it's negative 3 point something. I'm like, oh my God, let's go. But yeah, that's...
So what was the, hold it up.
217.33. My optimal is 217.32, so I can shave 100. We'll see. After doing that, I'm not sure like how much more. I mean, there's a 215 in that car. I'm telling you right now. It's just after all this build up, all this hype to get to the teens, I'm not sure I want to push it much. It's just insane.